1984 Chevy Corvette. Really nice car. He just got it. And all it had was this converter on it and no tailpipes, nothing. So we cut that converter because it's broke apart inside. You see the dust. And we replaced it with, it's still got two factory converters there, and there. Then it wires into a single. And we put a high flow converter on it right there. Put on the air tube. Then it's got 3-inch pipe into a 2.5-inch Y pipe, 2 1/4 tailpipes there and there. Then he wanted FLOWMASTER Super 10s right there. And right there, we'll have a link in the description for both. And 4-inch tips right there. And like always, guys, if you like our work, please subscribe, comment, and share. Because that's what keeps us going. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Let you guys hear in a second. That sounds good. FLOWMASTER Super 10, Chevy Corvette. Sound decibels? 103. That sounds really good. Go ahead and back it out. FLOWMASTER Super 10. Chevy Corvette. It was actually an 86, not 84, guys. Correction. 86. Really nice. Mint condition. Oh yeah, man. He spoke. That was awesome. That was awesome.